हेलो, क्या नाम है आपका?
कुशान चक्रवर्ती।
आई एम अनिमेश कुमार।
My name is Shashikant Manikattu.
My name is Rajat Srivastava.
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है रवि माथुर एंड आई एम फ्रॉम ग्रेडस। और आज मैं आया हूँ भारत मंडपम में, जो कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एआई इवेंट है और ये हो रहा है दिल्ली में। यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े दिग्गज जैसे चैट जीपीटी के सीईओ सैम ऑल्टमैन, गूगल के सीईओ सुंदर पिचाई जैसे कई सारे दिग्गज आए हुए हैं। लेकिन अंदर जाने से पहले यहाँ आए हुए स्टूडेंट, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल एंड जॉब सीकर्स, मैं उनसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा, जैसे कि एआई की कौन सी स्किल्स है जो कि इंडिया को सीखनी चाहिए, एआई जॉब रेडी है कि नहीं है, और ऐसे काफ़ी सारे सवाल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
My name is Shashikant Manikattu. I'm from Hyderabad.
एंड व्हाट यू डू?
I'm a freelance consultant currently. Previously, I was working in the IT industry for like 15 years full time as a senior director. Then I quit, and from last 2 years, I'm a freelance consultant.
सो एज अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, लाइक एआई रिप्लेस कर रहा है जॉब्स को या फिर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट कर रहा है?
See, you can see in two ways. One is जो conventional, whatever things were happening from the last conventional like 15-20 years, that will surely change, and that is a reality, right? Nobody can deny that. But the point is, there are also equal opportunities as well. So people have to upscale themselves as to get adjusted into the new reality of AI, and nobody can run away from that. That is the practical reality. It will change for sure.
एंड व्हाट टूल्स यू आर यूजिंग राइट नाउ?
See, tools depends upon what you are looking for. Whether if you are looking into healthcare side, whether looking manufacturing side, and all the stuff, right? And there are many open AIs currently based on which you can build your platforms, right? So be it like ChatGPT, be it Gemini, be it if you go to hall number like hall number 5, you see that there are like so many platforms available which I didn't know about. Right, so if you go to hall number 5 and you see that every company has their own open AI kind of system which you can build and use it. So it actually depends upon what you're actually looking for, right?
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, लाइक क्या इंडिया एक ग्लोबल एआई लीडर बनने के लिए तैयार है? कुछ आप इसमें फीडबैक दे पाओगे?
See, that is a sentiment which is running all around the globe now. It's not only like what I'm thinking, but that is the a global feeling which is everywhere, because India has been previously in a kind of IT hub, but the part is like India was on the services side. We were never the leaders of like we developed a product and which is globally getting used it, but we were on the services side of part, right? If you see how India got started into IT, it was all the BPO sector which came first, and then we started supporting some applications and stuff like that. But now things have changed, right? So though we have open ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we are from other countries, large ones, but in India also now they are coming up with a lot of open AI stuff which can get into global, but time lagega. It is going to take some time. Yeah, it's changing, but it will be, right?
इज इंडिया एआई जॉब रेडी?
Is India AI job ready? That's a very bold question. I am not sure yet. We are going towards it, right? We are doing our best. We are upskilling ourselves on daily basis. We have just seen we have our AI summits that are making sure कि सबको पता चले क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. But I won't say we are ready yet.
व्हाट अबाउट यू?
We have a massive potential. We have one of the largest workforces available. So definitely the government is doing a lot of steps, but I think it should be fast-tracked a little bit. And as far as the question is concerned directly, not yet, but we can definitely do much better regarding that.
इंडिया क्या एक ग्लोबल एआई लीडर बन सकता है कि नहीं?
अभी तक तो नहीं। मैं भी जैसा अभी हो रहा है, मैं भी 1-2 साल या 8-10 महीने के बाद मैं भी ऊपर आ सकता है। अभी एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, हम लोग का एजुकेशन में एआई में 2021 पास आउट कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच से, ठीक है। हम लोग का जो सिलेबस था वो एक्चुअली आउटडेटेड था। इंडस्ट्री को जो चाहिए होता था वो कॉलेज के सिलेबस में है ही नहीं। तो हम लोग एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं कि इंडिया का जो भी फ्रेशर आएगा कि वो एआई कैपेबल होगा एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्री।
अच्छा, कौन सी ऐसी मिस्टेक्स है जो एक बिगिनर करता है जब वो एआई सीख रहा होता है?
बिगिनर बेसिकली मतलब बिगिनर के हिसाब से देखेंगे, उसको लगता है जो जेन एआई है, जैसे ChatGPT, ये सब ये एआई ही उनको लगता है, लेकिन दिस इज़ लाइक 1 or 2% ऑफ द एंटायर एआई इकोसिस्टम। ओके, मतलब बिगिनर का लग रहा है कि प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग एक एआई है, बट वो एआई नहीं है। एआई आपका एआई ट्रेन मतलब हम लोग वो मॉडल को कैसे ट्रेन करते हैं, हम लोग उसको कैसे मतलब मशीन को मतलब कैसे वो सीखेगा, वो सब मतलब आपका एजेंटिक AI एक पार्ट हो गया, ठीक है। उसके ऊपर आता है आपका नहीं चैटबॉट आपका जेनआई के अंदर आएगा, उसके ऊपर आता है मशीन लर्निंग, उसके ऊपर आता है AI, ठीक है। बिगिनर का लगता है वो जो चैटबॉट हो गया, प्रॉम्प्टिंग हो गया, कुछ मतलब वाइब कोडिंग हो गया, ये सब AI है, बट दिस आर नॉट AI, दिस आर लाइक वन यूज केस ऑफ AI।
तो आपके हिसाब से क्या AI है?
AI एक्चुअली उन लोगों को AI ML जैसे न्यूरल नेटवर्किंग यही सब में एक्चुअली उनको फोकस करना चाहिए, जैसे ट्रांसफार्मर लाइक हाउ AI वर्क्स, ओके। AI के जैसे डाटा सेट हो गया, वो कैसे आपस में बात करते हैं, मतलब कैसे इधर का डाटा उधर मतलब जो मतलब ट्रेन होता है वो कैसे काम करता है, ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग कैसे होता है, वो एक्चुअली उनको फोकस करना चाहिए बिगनर्स को।
What's your name
Hi, this is Shilpa.
and what you do?
So I'm working with Canterbury Education Group.
Okay.
It's education sector. So I'm having total 11 years of experience.
Okay. So अभी AI के लिए आप कौन-कौन से tools use कर रहे हो?
Salesforce. See, if we'll talk about like RTO manager, we are using Zoho. So
Is coding necessary for learning AI and tech thing?
I believe it's so, because people should have knowledge of, I think, data science, Python, SQL. So these are technical things that.
Okay. And if we talk about the decision making thing, should we depend on the AI or should we still rely on the humans?
I think both would work hand to hand. Like we cannot completely depend on AI because that can give you the general replies and all those things. So we should use human decision making as well.
Coding schools में सीखनी चाहिए?
Yes, at a very small age, I think it should get started. Because I'm facing a difficulty right now to learn because I was planning to learn Python. Now I find it very difficult to learn in this stage. So I believe it should get started at a very early age.
What's your name
Kushan Chakravarti.
and what you do, sir?
I'm a lawyer.
So my first question is कि is AI using in your field?
Yes.
How?
Yes, absolutely. AI is being used for legal research, legal drafting, and legal strategy.
And अगर मैं बात करूँ AI job ready की, तो क्या इंडिया AI job ready है?
I don't think so. We are not job ready.
Why?
As it is, unemployment rates are very high in India. And speaking about my industry alone, the job of an associate, which is a fresher from law school, is A0 to A3 में is entirely replaced by AI now, or at least is going to be replaced in the near future. जितना contract drafting का है या फिर कोर्ट में भी अगर आप pleadings draft करते हैं, that can entirely be done by AI now. You don't need to hire a fresher.
So what the tools and skills they need to learn?
So they need to be fluent with using AI, but also be fluent in understanding where AI is falling short or is incorrect. Because AI sometimes hallucinates, and you have to be smart enough to be able to know where it is wrong and where it is right.
Okay.
So you need to be able to tell the difference.
So still India needs the mentorship or anything?
100% it needs mentorship, it needs technology, it needs guidance, and it needs access to resources to be on top of AI.
My name is Rajat Srivastav.
Okay. And what you do?
I am doing my MBA from IIM Udaipur right now.
So what do you think? AI replacing job or creating the opportunities?
To the best of my knowledge, I feel AI is giving empowerment. AI is giving platforms to a lot of individuals who are looking out for jobs with an add-on quality of a skill. So I think AI is just giving platform to individuals who are looking out for more creative, more innovative kind of jobs. And also I want to add a line here that to those folks who are thinking that AI is gonna grab their job, I strongly differ from that viewpoint because AI is an enabler. It's not the exact knowledge and expertise which humans can add up. So as an enabler, AI is doing its full-fledged job, and we should also collaborate with AI and take things forward. So yeah.
Which AI skills are high in demand in 2026?
So I think prompt engineering is one thing which any and everybody of us should know, because the tactics to ask an AI agent or an LLM is everything what is getting defined by the output which they are giving. So they need to get trained on the right amount of data set, on the right amount of prompt, and then the right amount of answer spits out from them. So that quality, I think, should be learned by every one of us.